What is exterior or facade design? A facade refers to one side, usually the front, of a building. It is an integral piece to the overall design of a building. It provides the opportunity to create a personality and character to a building. Exterior design encompasses both physical structures as well as personal aesthetics of artistic designs, paint or color scheme, geometrical forms such as roof shape and material used to construct it, decks, patios, gardens, and central, side, back and front yards etc. Exterior design provides the first impression of your business or of your personality. Attention to detail and clean, thoughtful design sets an expectation for the consumer before even stepping through the door to the interiors of the building. The project goal is a huge indicator of what the exterior may look like. This is a big indicator of how the exterior may function. The project goal is a big indicator of the cost, materials, level of complexity, and amount of site work involved. Each goal can affect the exterior design of your project in different ways and to different degrees. Oftentimes we have competing goals that require us to make tough decisions and prioritize our goals. For example, aesthetics and performance goals often compete with budgetary goals. We at Laureate Design School capture the true essence of exterior design course, which encompasses varied styles and material-based design. Facades can come in many shapes and sizes, and it is really a chance for the designer to showcase their talent by bringing a building to life. A simple yet elegant facade design can suddenly change the character of a building and how it is perceived. The power of great design is reflected here. A simple yet elegant facade design can suddenly change the character of a building and adjoining areas. Over the past 20 years, modern technologies and high functional demands have made many specializations necessary for planning-related professions in the fields of construction and architecture. Now facade planning is undisputedly high on the list of the most demanding and versatile professional specializations, where physical, material technological, structural design and particular architectural and aesthetic issues are covered. The facades of a building visible from a street play an important role in contributing to the amenity and attractiveness of an area. Facades, therefore designed to have a pleasing scale and appearance, proportion and rhythm, solid-to-void relationship and materiality. Many buildings have standard designs that meet structural regulations but lack any sort of character. This has a detrimental effect on the places we live. A building facade also plays an important role in energy efficiency as well as linking the exterior building design to the interior design. With new innovations in materials, ideas and design, a build facade can unlock a multitude of opportunities for buildings. A curtain wall is a type of facade that has no structural impact. It is a separate structure attached to the building. This is particularly common in modern architecture. A building facade or curtain wall will have a big impact on the flow of air and light on a building as well as how it copes with environmental conditions. As more and more people are rebelling against boring design and standard building structures, building facades has become an integral part of design. On completion, one can work as facade design specialist, facade consultant and its material supplier, facade cladding manufacturer and supplier. Course highlights: Introduction to Facade Systems, Basic Design Principles. Facade materials, architectural attachments, thermal performance, components, fire performance, structural analysis, glass and glazing, structural integrity, weather tightness, procurement, advanced facades, dissertation.